If you're serious to make money online, then this video is for you. You can make money online working as a transcriptionist or as a transcriber for different companies. You can choose to work for one company or for more than one company. Now, transcription job is a lucrative job if you're looking for a side hustle or you want to earn a full-time income. However, the challenging part is getting this job, and that is why I am making this video. In this video, I'll be showing you a transcription company that is currently recruiting. If you love typing and you want to make money typing online, stick around to the end of this video to find out more. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Chinenwa Violet. On this channel, I share information on different ways of making money online. So for more content, join the family by subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell beside it so you get notified when a new video is up on this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you all are welcome back. Without further ado, I'm going to be taking you to my laptop screen to show you this transcription company that is currently recruiting so you can get started. Now let's go to my screen. So guys, I would like to let you know that the company that is currently recruiting, the transcription company that is currently recruiting is TranscribeMe. All right, so if you love typing and you want to make money typing online, you should check out the link in the description. Okay, I'll be leaving the link in the description so you can check it out and get yourself started. TranscribeMe is a company that lets you work from anywhere in this world, like literally from anywhere. They are available globally. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you are, where you live. You can sign up with them and you can start working as a transcriber. Okay, with TranscribeMe. All right. So to get started, what you need to do is to click on this freelancing. Okay, click on freelancer. So once you click on freelancer, it will bring you to this page, become a freelancer and start anywhere. Join the TranscribeMe professional freelancer company and start working on projects from anywhere, anytime. Okay, so to get started, you just have to click on start freelancing or join TranscribeMe. But before I'll go further. Okay, let's talk about how much they pay. TranscribeMe pay from $15 to $22 per audio hour. So in a month, you can earn approximately, on average, you can earn $250 in a month. Okay, and if you are part of their special team, you can earn from $60 to $70 per audio hour, or even more. Okay, per audio hour. All right. So they offer advancement opportunities for special teams that includes medical and specialty styles. Okay, so they pay higher. Okay, they pay higher to this particular team, special team. TranscribeMe company welcomes newcomers. So if you are new to transcription, don't worry yourself. They welcome you and they provide training to their newcomers. So you don't need to worry about you not having experience or not having the skills, transcription skills to work with them. All right. So even if you're a newcomer, you can sign up with them and they'll take you through the process and get you ready to start working with them as a transcriber. All right. And another thing I need to say is if you are someone that's always depend on AI for typing, then I think this might not be for you. Okay, because this needs genuine typing. You need to be real. You need to make sure that what you're typing is real. Okay, this does not involve any kind of AI. All right, you're working with the company. This is a huge company, so you do not need an AI to help assist you in typing. All right, let's look at how it looks like to work with them. How much does TranscribeMe pay their workers? We've seen that they pay their workers $15 to $22 per audio hour. All right. However, we do have different teams and projects that pay at higher rates. Okay, so if you're among the special team, like we saw, if you're among the special team, you can earn from $60 to $70 or more per audio hour. For TranscribeMe, you can work at the comfort of your home. They provide flexibility. It's very flexible. When you make transcribing depends on how much time you're willing to put in. Okay, so you can work as a part-time or you can work as a full-time. There's no time limit to complete the file. All their work is done online. Okay, it's completed online. So long as you're active working, there is no time limit. Okay, but if you become inactive for 60 times, like you're completing a task that's supposed to take you 2 minutes, you're completing it for 2 hours, then they'll time you out. The system will time you out and your job will be given to another transcriber. All right, so it's all completed online. So you need to be fast, you need to be active, because the faster you're able to complete your tasks, the more money you're able to make. All right. The next question is, how does TranscribeMe pay their workers? TranscribeMe pay their workers via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you have to first of all create a PayPal account before you can sign up with TranscribeMe. Okay, before you can become a transcriber with this company, you need to create a business account. Now, they are saying that you can use personal account or you can use a business account. All right, but in my own opinion, since you are making money online, you are working from home, I think that business PayPal account is the ideal for you. Okay, create a business PayPal account and use it to receive your payment, because without that you will not be accepted to work with them. Okay, that is the first thing they look at. Okay, to be able to accept you, you need to have PayPal account so you can be able to receive your payment. How often do TranscribeMe pay their workers? They pay their workers once a week. All right, once a week on US Thursdays. So if you're in the US, so it's US Thursdays. All right, so workers receive their funds directly into the PayPal account listed in their hub profile. So if you create your profile, you update your profile, you have to put in your PayPal account. And without that, you will not be accepted to work with them. So you have to put in your PayPal account, and that way you can receive your payment. Okay, so to receive your pay for the week, you must have at least $10 in your available balance. Okay, in order to receive your payment for the week. So if you have less than $10 in order to receive your payment for the week, you earn more and you have available balance, they will carry forward to the next week and you get paid next week. All right, you may withdraw whenever you wish immediately, or let the money accumulate once you have reached the $10 minimum threshold. All right, so this is what they are saying, how often they pay their workers. I can see over here they said for working at TranscribeMe, they do not specify whether you have to have personal or business PayPal accounts to receive your payment from them, but they suggest that you read the information on PayPal website, okay, and see the type of account that they offer to determine which is best for you. So if you're, like I said, I will advise you to go for business PayPal account, because this is business, you're making money online, so use business PayPal account. Create a business PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, I made a simple video on how to create a PayPal account. I'll be leaving the link in the description so you can go watch the video and create your PayPal account. So to join, all you need to do, click on joining TranscribeMe, click on start freelancing. So whichever one, it's fine. Okay, let's click on start freelancing. So now once you click on start freelancing, what you're going to find is ask you to sign up, put in your first name, put in your last name, your country, your religion, email address, your password, and accept and sign up. Okay, click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, they will send you an email, verify your account, you can start working with them. Now, let me say this. If you are not good at transcribing, you don't have any skills when it comes to transcription, don't be scared, all right? Like I said earlier in this video, this company, they offer training, okay, to their newcomers. So you don't have to be scared. You don't need experience to work with them, all right? You can join and then they will train you. But you can also sign up with Skillshare. Skillshare is a learning platform, okay? You can learn how to transcribe, okay? You can learn all about transcription from Skillshare. I'll be leaving the link in the description, so you can also go check it out. Sign up. When you sign up using the link in the description, you will get a 1 month free Skillshare membership, okay? So you can learn all the classes, you can join transcription classes and learn all the skills that is involved with transcription, all right? So guys, if you have watched to this stage and you've not liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe. Turn on that notification bell beside it so you get notified when I upload a new video on this channel. All right, and also let me know in the comment section if you are currently working as a transcriber with this company that I just mentioned. Let me know in the comment section, or you're working with other transcription companies. Let me know in the comment section which company you're working with as a transcriber. All right, I want to hear from you. All right, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you. Bye.